Hello, and the peculiar Swede. And, well, when we moved away from Limhamn and we moved back to Malmö, we didn't move into this big beautiful house. So, anyway, my parents went through a divorce and so it was back to apartments again. And the funny thing is that my mom got an apartment in this house and my dad got an apartment in the same freaking building. So that's very, very special. So anyway, I'm gonna start off with showing the apartment I lived in with my mom. And by the way, this is circa 1990. And so you can maybe see it was a very kind of old house, like built in I think 1907. Not totally sure, but anyway. So here's the apartment, and I must have been like 9 or something, 9 or 10, 9 I think, when we moved here. So here's the living room. Relatively small rooms. And here's what was my mom's bedroom. And bathroom. And my room. And this is where I was sitting and playing with Lego and such things. And this is the interesting part. Since it's 2 different homes in one video, I'm gonna show 2 different old Lego models. So anyway, I think that when I lived here is when I got this beautiful little space vehicle. I think it's from 1989 or something. And it didn't survive my childhood, of course, so I managed to find some of the parts and managed to restore it to its original glory. So, but that's not important. Now let's get to the kitchen. Oh yeah, here's the kitchen. Nothing interesting happens in here. So it's one of those interesting apartments where you can go see around the entire thing like this. Oh. And then I go out to the back of the house. So there was a kitchen entrance in this old house. So could go down here and just back of the building. Here's another house that was right next to it. And anyway, here's the thing. Could go over here. And I actually made a friend who lived also in the house. And let's see if I'm on the right floor now. Oh yeah, I am. So, in this apartment lived Björn with his mother. And quite a nice little apartment. Just a bedroom. And well, that's the funny thing with that apartment. He actually had the bathroom, the bathtub was up here on the attic. So you basically had to go out through the kitchen entrance and then go up to the attic to take a bath. That's kind of a weird thing, but anyway. I'm going down again to the rest of his apartment. And let's let's see. There are a lot of crap happening outside. That's because we moved back to Malmö. So, anyway. So, next to his apartment, my dad lived. So, huge kitchen. And very nice living room, by the way. This was this kind of tower at the corner of the house, so it was this round thing here. And excuse me for a while. That is so damn annoying. So, it's better. And oh yeah, I had a TV as well. Anyway, this in here is was my room. Now this was just a 2-room apartment, so we had to put up this separating thing here. So my dad was sleeping on this side and I was sleeping on this side. And one thing I remember is that so I was sitting here building Lego. One of the models I got there was this old classic Lego Blacktron vehicle, the Batrax. And this is not complete. I haven't completed it. It of course didn't survive my childhood. But I'm trying to restore it to its original glory. And I hope it eventually becomes fully complete. It's only just a bit modular things. Can take off the back part and the cockpit, and you make it into a little spaceship. And you can also fold the wings like this. Yeah. So now you know that, and knowing is half the battle. So anyway, now the thing is that my mom moved away from here like I guess 1992 or something, because I was 11 when we moved away from here. But my dad actually stayed in this apartment until I was like 14 or something. So yeah, also has the bathroom. Yay! I miss having a bathtub. Yay! No. Oh, anyway, with that out of the way, I can just as well show the entire house, because this had been one huge apartment from the beginning. That's why there wasn't a complete bathroom in one of the apartments. So here's what it must have looked like from the beginning, like a freaking huge apartment. But this is pure speculation, because I was never in this apartment. So anyway, I get out through the kitchen door, and I get up to let's see. So there was a huge attic, of course, but probably didn't look like this. I don't remember exactly what it looked like, but yeah. Anyway, I think that pretty much done with it now. I think I'm gonna leave the house. Just show it one more time from the outside, and also telling you that yeah, there was some things on the first floor as well, so like restaurant here. Oh, and also me and Björn often tried our Lego cars on this ramp, so that was fun. Well, guess that's it. Bye.